Hi everyone, Carrie Ann Carter with the Carrie Ann Carter Group, and I'm here today on Wednesday with Chad Johnson, my preferred lender, to do Fun with Math with Chad. Another episode. So today we're going to talk about this amazing market we're having and do a quick little learn up on interest rates and what that means, what's going on. When do you lock in? How do you know how to predict the future? We wish we could, but we can't. So Chad, tell us, where are we at right now and where are we going?
Yeah, so there's been some movement in the bond market lately, and we haven't seen a big impact on interest rates with that. Typically when the bond market goes up or down, rates move up or down a little bit. Some programs change, some have not, but we'd be happy to see if the one you need to use has changed.
Right, and a lot of people think that there's going to be some kind of impact when there's a shift like that. Like, what does that mean? Is it going to go up, or are we going to have a problem if we are already locked in?
Right.
Is that going to change our outcome? Or, oh my gosh, what if the rate actually improves and we've already locked in? What do people do about that?
You know, it's kind of one of those necessary evils. When you lock your interest rate, you're locked. You know, rates go up, you're covered. Rates go down, unfortunately, you're at where you're at. But you'll know where your payment is, you'll know where your interest rate is, and you'll be ready to move forward.
So how do you, when people ask, well, when should I lock in? How do you predict, like, how do you evaluate or determine when the best time is if you're looking to maybe purchase something in the next 2 months, for instance?
So once you have that signed purchase agreement, that's when we can go ahead and lock your interest rate. And we really take a look at what has been happening the last few weeks, whether rates have been moving up, moving down, or holding the same. We're really in a rising rate environment right now, but they're not going fast.
Right.
So it's small increments on some programs. Other programs actually went down a little bit, so it really depends on the situation.
I always say to people, you know, I can remember when the market was phenomenal over a decade ago and we were locking in at 6%, and we thought that was amazing, like, oh my gosh, what amazing rates. We've been in really lucky for a long time now. So even if we're moving, what do you think worst case scenario is coming into 2020? In terms of rates for the year, if you were to look at 3 months, you know, by quarter, for instance, what do you think is going to happen?
It's hard to say.
Yeah, I know.
If I had that crystal ball, I'd be smoking a cigar on a beach today.
I know, what we all.
Everything we're reading and everything we're seeing is still just a gradual increase. We're not seeing anything that's going to take the current market and make it go to 6, like you mentioned. But slow and steady increase in rates is what we're saying.
That's what we're all feeling right now. Yeah. I think the point is right now today, we are, even with December here, Christmas is just 3 weeks away, it's busy. You know, we are selling real estate. We're seeing multiple offers still. We have a tremendous open house activity. We have a lot of buyers out there. We're really not seeing your typical December slowdown. This is a great time to have a conversation with us if you're thinking about a lifestyle move. Even if you're a year out or a half a year out, having those conversations so we can help step you through the process to help you get ready for that upcoming move, especially if you're selling, there are steps involved. We're here to do that. And in pairing up, we can help you with the financing piece as well. So if you have any questions at all about prepping your home for market, you're looking for something to purchase right now, you need to figure out the lending piece, figure out the math, rip off that Band-Aid, we're here to help you. So thank you so much for joining us today. Carrie Ann Carter, Chad Johnson. We're at the Edina Realty 50th and France office. I hope you had a beautiful Thanksgiving. Did you?
I did.
Good. We traveled. We were in South Dakota, so with a little bit of the weather thing, but it was great. Always great to spend time with family. Always. I hope everybody had a chance to do that. How about you, Durin?
It was great.
Derwin. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.